Hi, this is Otto. I went to St. George's and to Achilles Bay to see why it was taking so long for these steps to be fixed. It only looks like it's 2 or 3 steps that are needed for a drop that's 5 or 6 feet at the most. And the gap's only like 5 or 6 feet wide. Why it's so hard and difficult, I don't know. I saw these great big piles of sand that's a lot bigger than the little hill where the steps are needed. Last year there was some sort of scaffolding going down to the beach, and now it's just a blank space, but it's not that big a drop. I went to another area to be able to take some pictures with a zoom lens, and I saw these no trespassing and security signs around an empty building. So I walked past this building that used to be a restaurant. 40 years ago, it used to be a little hangout spot where people used to be smoking marijuana, and eventually that got cleared out. But now you can see the view, and you can see what needs repairing. This is the main part that has to be fixed, where the steps were washed out. This is a bit underneath the fort that seems to have been washed out. That's an old boathouse that's been there 100 years. So why is this job taking so long? It looks small. Howl and the beach. It's supposed to be public access, so I think I'm going to take a swim. 2-minute swim. It's public access to this hotel beach, so I took 2 laps. So I got in my 15-minute swim. I jumped from one end to the other end twice. It was a nice swim. To Bermuda, this is one place that you ought to have your picture taken. It's the sign saying Gates Bay, and it talks about this is where they landed in 1609. And you can see Fort St. Catherine in the background and Gates Bay, which is now the hotel beach of Bermuda National Parks. Now, when you see national parks, you expect a certain standard for the park. To Gates Fort, there's this little building, and a few years ago there used to be all these tables and chairs and possibly somebody smoking weed in there, but it looks like it might have been cleared out. It's nothing in there, but it's nobody there being a nuisance, or at this moment. This building used to be kind of locked up, and there used to be old historical weapons hanging on the wall, but it was very secure. So it's good to see that this is finally being cleared up and good for tourists. So this is the front of Gates Fort with these guns pointing out to the ocean, and right next to here there is the entrance to St. George's Harbor, the town cut channel. So you can see it down through there. They're doing some repairs down here, because last year I came here and there was an old wooden door here that was propped up with a concrete block, and now it's this metal gate. No sign saying don't enter, and it's cleared out, because last time I was here this was full of old liquor bottles, and you used to be able to walk up the steps here, and it looks like it's actually been blocked off. So you used to be able to go up and look out, but it's blocked off, so one of the attractions of here is actually going up and looking out. Maybe they'll open it up again. But as you can see, they're fixing the planks up here, so that is probably a good thing when it comes to safety. And that's the door that used to be at the entrance to this little fort. It's good to see repairs, but I would say so far a job well done. I enjoyed my day touring St. George's, seeing what's been repaired and fixed up. Gates Fort looks like it's well on the way to being fixed up. Achilles Bay That's still a work in progress, but I hope you enjoyed this tour and can still see that it's beautiful even though things are getting improved. Comment and let me know what you're thinking about this. Bye!